Hello and welcome to this Alameda County Law Library tutorial on making a reservation through eCourt portal. This tutorial currently applies to civil, family, probate, and mental health cases in Alameda County Superior Courts. It applies to cases that have already been assigned to a specific department. So for instance, if your case is new and you haven't been assigned to a specific judge yet, you don't need to worry about the reservation number. But if your case is ongoing and you want your motion to be heard by the judge, you do need a reservation number. If you aren't sure, you can always check with the court clerk first. You may be watching this tutorial because you tried to file a motion in your case and the clerk told you that you need a reservation number. If that's you, you've come to the right place. So if you want your motion to be heard by the judge, a reservation number is required. You will need to make the reservation before filing your motion so that you can write the reservation number on the first page of your motion. And I'll show you an example at the end of this tutorial so you know what to do with that reservation number. Okay, let's get started. So to make a reservation with the eCourt public portal, you'll need an internet connection, a web browser, and your login to eCourt public portal. You are able to log in to eCourt through computers at the law library, but you will need your own login information. If you are not sure how to create a login to eCourt, watch our tutorial on the subject. I'll put a link in the description for this video. So once you have all of those things, the web browser, the internet connection, and your login, you can navigate to eportal.alameda.courts.ca.gov. Once you have gone there, you'll want to log into your account. If you try to make a reservation before you have logged in, you will not be able to. So if you click reservation system, make a reservation, agree, and you're not logged in, it will say anonymous access is not available. If you're getting this error, it just means that you need to log in first. To log in, look for the light blue box on the right side of the screen, and then click Login. It will ask you to enter your information, and then you can click the Login button. Once you have done this, you can click on the tab at the top of the window that says Court Reservations, or you can click the link that says Reservation System CRS. Next, click Make a Reservation. On the next screen, you'll be asked to enter your case number. So this is usually 2 letters followed by a string of numbers, and it's usually printed on the front of your court documents. So once you have found your case number and entered it in the search box, you can click Submit. This will bring up your case. And under reservation type, you want to tell the court what kind of a motion you're filing. You can click the drop down and choose the one that fits your motion the best. Note that some of them do say the type of case first, so these ones that say civil are for civil cases, there's some for probate. If you keep scrolling, it is general motions. And if you're not sure and you can't find your motion on this list, then you can always select Motion Name Extension, and you can actually enter the type of motion that you are filing. So if you select this option, you would need to enter the rest of the name of your motion in the box that says Name Extension. And so you could do motion for summary judgment, just as an example. And then you want to tell the court whether or not this is a discovery motion. So discovery is the evidence that's exchanged between the 2 parties. So that would be things like document production, interrogatories, requests for deposition. So if it does not involve discovery, then you would click no. If it does, then you could click yes. And you want to select the courthouse where your case is being heard. Also select the department. If your case has been assigned to a specific department already, then those two boxes will be filled in for you when you get to this screen. And then you want to select the name of the party, so that's the person filing the motion. So if you are filing your own motion, you would select your own name. And then you'll need to tell the court if you have a fee waiver on file to avoid any charges associated with scheduling a court date. There is a small technology fee unless you have a fee waiver. If you do not have a fee waiver, you can click no special conditions apply. If you do have a fee waiver, you can click a filing fee is not required because the filing party has a fee waiver. And then you click continue. And this will bring up a calendar of potential court dates. You want to select the one that works the best for you. So select on the date and time that you know you can make this court date. And this will bring you to a confirmation page that tells you the date and time that you have selected. And you'll be required to enter your contact information. And you want to select the payment method that you have on file with the court. So make sure to fill out your contact information with first name, last name, phone number, email. You'll be asked to enter your email the second time. You don't need to enter a secondary email if you don't have one. It's not required. If you would like to receive notifications via text message, you can enter your phone number, but again, you don't have to. And once you're done, you would click Submit Reservation, and then your reservation has been completed. Once you have completed your reservation and clicked Submit, you will receive a reservation number, and you do have to put this on the front of your motion. So this goes on the caption page under the case number and the name of the judge. So you would want to put the date, the time of the reservation, and the reservation number. If you are responding to a motion that's been filed by the other party and they have already made the reservation, you would want to use their reservation number that they put on the motion that they served you with, and you would put that on the front of your motion where reservation number goes.